How's it going, everyone? So today we're going to talk about how to get rid of pimples on your forehead. Now this doesn't just have to be on your forehead, it could be on any part of your body. This will get rid of the pimples. Before we talk about how to get rid of them, first we need to know what causes pimples, you guys. And there's a ton of different reasons why. A few are just hormonal changes. So that's why people, when they go through puberty, they often experience a ton of pimples all over their face, on their body, all that acne. That's because your body's going through hormonal changes. That's the biggest one, you guys. That's number one. Some other ones is going to be bacterial growth, bacteria growing on there. I know it sounds really gross, but it can happen. Stress is huge, you guys. Stress not only makes you fatigued, causes bad things to your body, messes you up, it also causes pimples as well. Makeup, girls know this, if you wear a ton of makeup, it will lead to more pimples. It's as simple as that. So if any girls are watching this, you want to get less pimples, stop using as much makeup. It's as simple as that. Believe it or not, oily and spicy food can also cause pimples, you guys. So make sure you're watching what you're eating. Very, very important. Buildup of dead skin, that's another one, and that's why a lot of people recommend that you guys exfoliate first. All exfoliating is getting rid of the dead skin first. That's all exfoliating is, you guys. So that is what causes pimple. Now that we know that, how can we actually get rid of that? Like what are some things that we can do right away? This one is a big one. It works. It just works. White toothpaste, you guys. White toothpaste. Why does it work? Why do so many people recommend it? If you guys have never heard of that, let me explain why it works. White toothpaste, and again, it has to be white, contains celiac, you guys. Now, silica. Silica helps dry out pimples, you guys, and that is why the toothpaste works. You put it on the pimples, over time you will notice that they are gone. Why? Silica. Silica dries out pimples, and that's what is in toothpaste, you guys. So that's why it works. So if you guys are ever wondering, wow, I wonder why toothpaste works, that is why. And if you guys have never tried it, highly recommend that you guys try it. So what you want to do first when you're using the toothpaste is you want to wash your face or whatever part that you're trying to get rid of the pimples. Use a mild soap, you guys. Wash off your face. Get it clean. That's what you want to do. Then what you want to do is apply some toothpaste to whatever area that the pimples are on. Sorry, you guys, I might be getting a little bit of cold. Then leave overnight or for at least an hour. So what I recommend is you can leave it overnight, but what I recommend at least 1 hour. Leave it on for 1 hour, then you guys can wash it away. If you leave it on overnight, that is fine as well. That will work good too, but in my opinion, I just do the 1 hour. Again, either one will work. Overnight, probably a little bit better, but for me, I'm always in a rush. 1 hour for me. When you wake up in the morning, you want to wash that toothpaste off though, and do it with cold water. Do not use warm water. Cold water is the ticket, you guys. It's very important that you guys do that. And white toothpaste, it does work, you guys. It does work. Okay, another thing. So we talked about the white toothpaste. I'm going to give you guys another idea. Green tea leaves or tea bags. That is right. Now some of you are probably wondering why, like what's the point of that? And green tea leaves contains an antioxidant, and this is why you guys use them. This antioxidant, okay, I'm going to try to say the word. It's very good, big. It's epigallocatechin something. Basically, it's ECGC. That's what it is called, you guys. Again, it's an extremely hard word to pronounce. Let me try this again. I'm not even going to try it. So ECGC, that's what it's called. And what it does is it's an antioxidant, and what it does is it reduces sebum production. Now what sebum is why you guys get pimples. So by having this ECGC antioxidant, it will fucking destroy those pimples. It will come after the sebum, stop production, stop your pimples. So you don't need the scientific name for it. ECGC, that's what it calls. It attacks the sebum. Sebum is what causes your pimples. So that's all you guys need to know. And yeah, it's amazing. I love tea bags. They're also good for other things as well, not just for acne. If you ever get bee sting, you put some tea bags on it, it gets the stinger out, stuff like that. Tea bags are amazing, you guys. So use your tea bags or green tea leaves. That'll work as well. Both stop sebum production. And yeah, so that's very easy. Highly recommend that one. So what you want to do for the green tea, or for the tea bags, is just put it in boiling water. Let the tea bag come up, and then leave it. Leave it for about 5-10 minutes. Don't take it right out and put it on your face. That's gonna like burn you. Wait 5 minutes or so, then put it on the area that has the pimples, you guys. And that's it. It's as simple as that. I would say leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes on your face, and then after that, just wipe it, wash it off with some cold water, and boom, done. End of story. Very easy to do. So that's 2 home remedies already that I gave for you guys. 2, and they're all free. Basically, most people should have tea bags in their house. You guys should have toothpaste in your house. So yeah, okay, 3rd home remedy, tea tree oil. That is right, you guys. Tea tree oil is huge. Lots of antibacterial properties. Sorry, I'm just adjusting this here. Okay, sorry, the lighting in here is off, so I apologize for that. So the tea tree oil, that is your 3rd thing. Some of you may not have it, so that's fine as well. If you want to go buy it, that's fine. If not, whatever. But this is just the 3rd remedy that I recommend. And it's going to be kind of similar to the green tea. So basically what it does is it acts like a solvent, and it's going to attack the sebum production as well. So it's going to stop the pimples from producing. It's going to stop them from spreading. So again, this is extremely good. It also unblocks the pores too. So if you guys' pores are blocked, this will unblock it. Very, very good. I have used this for a long time. In my opinion, it probably is a little bit better than the tea bags, but not by much. The toothpaste is good as well, but I personally like the tea tree oil. As for how do you do it, just get a little bit of tea tree oil, get a cotton ball, just dab a little bit on, put it on the area that has the pimples, wait about 20-30 minutes, then rinse it off with cold water. It's as easy as that, you guys. And in my opinion, those are the 3 best home remedies that are super free, or super cheap, I should say. And most of you guys should have this stuff laying around the house. Really make sure that you guys look for the tea tree oil. You may have it and not really know it. If you guys are living with your parents still, they probably have some of that. Just go ahead and ask them. If not, I recommend trying the toothpaste and the tea bags first before you go out and buy the tea tree oil. Just because if the toothpaste and the tea bags work, there's no need in going to buy this tea tree oil. If all else fails, try the tea tree oil. That's what I recommend. Another product that I will recommend is going to be called Oxy Pads. I have recommended these in another one of my videos. The reason why I love these is because I used them myself when I was a teenager. I was like you guys, going through puberty. Maybe you're not going through puberty, but I had a ton of pimples on my face. It was bad. My brother too. So I remember I was in the bathroom brushing my teeth, and he comes in with these black container, and he had little wipes, and he was putting them on his face. I'm like, what the hell are you doing? He's like, these are Oxy Pads. I'm like, for what? He's like, for the acne. I'm like, oh. I'm like, can I have one? He's like, yeah. So we started using them, and instantly, gone day. Couple days, all of our acne was gone. It's fucking crazy. What I do recommend though is you have to keep using them after your acne is gone, which is no biggie at all. But you don't have to do them every single night. Once they're all gone, you can do them every other night or every 2 or 3 nights, and it's gone. That's what me and my brother used. It worked for us. If you want to go try them out, they still make them. I looked online. They're still there. You can go buy them if you want. If not, none of this works, go and try those. Guaranteed they probably will work for you guys. But that's what me and my brother used. We seen amazing results. One thing though, if you guys have a cold sore, do not put that fucking shit on a cold sore. I learned that the hard way. Holy crap, that was bad. But that has nothing to do with anything. So end the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Like the video, share it. Also, if you guys are interested in online personal training from me, just email me. I will send you details, all that stuff. So thanks again, you guys.